In this video, I want to show you how you can add captions or transcribe a video or an audio into text. Okay. Now, for example, if you imported an audio into your CapCut and you want that particular sentence or words or whatever the audio is talking to type as text, you want to transcribe it from audio to text, okay? Or you have a video, you want to transcribe it to text as well. While the video is talking or the audio is talking, the text is typing. I'm going to show you how to do that. It is called captions, okay? But in a layman's term, it is called transcribing. So all you need to do is you select the clip, okay? If it is audio, you select it. If it is a video, you select it. Then you click on this text to click on auto captions, okay? Now these auto captions, you're going to see when you click on start now, it's going to transcribe whatever this video is talking into a text. Now you can see from video, from voiceover. If it is a voiceover, you're going to see it here. If it is all, maybe you have audio file and video, you can use all, or you can select the particular one, okay? Now, before we do that, let's play this video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok. Like and share this video.
Okay, so it's going to transcribe these particular words this video is talking about, okay? So you go to text auto captions, okay? Then here you can change language or select language. We're going to use English, okay? You can choose style, okay, animation, all right? Then you click on start. Mind you, you need internet connection, so you should have internet connection for this to work because this is hosted on their server, all right? Can you see? Now we have this text.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now, to edit this, two things you can do. You can tap on this, okay, and click on style, all right? Or you can click on badge edit. Now, badge edit has to do with you will edit all these texts one by one, badge by badge rather, okay? So, for example, we have this badge here. This is a badge. This is another badge of text. This is another badge of text. So you can edit them badge by badge, okay? So you can either tap on badge edit or you type on style, all right? Now when you type on style, you're going to see the text as well, okay? Anyone you selected, you're going to see the text. So when you tap on style, you can now change the font, okay? Click on font. You can change the font to whatever you want, any of the font that you prefer. Now you click on style. Under style, you have different ways your text can appear, okay? You can choose this or you can choose this. Then we have effect, we have animation, we have bubble, okay? So let's go for animation. So let's say you want your text to come up like this, okay?
Thank you for watching.
Can you see? So you click this good sign once you are done, okay? All right, then you play.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok. Like and share this video.
All right, so if we want this thing to move accordingly with how this video is talking, the pace, you click on style, all right? You go to animation, you reduce it.
Thank you for watching.
Okay?
Thank you for watching.
All right? When you reduce it, you play to see what happens.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok. Like and share this video.
Okay, so remember this is a video tutorial to show you how to add text. If you have watched other videos that we did where we actually edited a complete video, you will see that we made sure that the transcribing synchronized with the pace, the speed of the video. Okay, so you can use here to control the speed of the animation of your text. All right, so
Thank
this is how you can add captions, okay, or transcribe whatever an audio or video is talking about when you are using CapCut. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video.